Let's learn about reflexive pronouns today. So, what are reflexive pronouns? A reflexive pronoun is a word that shows the action is done by the person or group to themselves. Some examples are myself, yourself, singular, yourselves, plural, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves. So here are the common pronouns. I refers back to myself, you refers to yourself, he refers to himself, she refers to herself, and it refers to itself. So let's see how they work. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same. For example, I cut myself while cooking. She looked at herself in the mirror. They enjoyed themselves at the party. When the subject performs an action on itself, this is when we use it. They're often used for emphasis. A couple examples are I made myself breakfast or the cat cleaned itself. So now that you know some reflexive pronouns, it's time to practice. First, we have a reading activity. You're going to spot the reflexive pronouns in the following paragraph and identify them. You only have 1 minute. Then we will go over the answers. Good luck! Sarah taught herself to play guitar last summer. She practiced by herself every day until she mastered the basic chords. Her brother bought himself a drum set, and they found themselves forming a band. So there were 4 reflexive pronouns in this paragraph. Next, we have a writing activity. Please read these sentences and add in the appropriate reflexive pronouns. You have 50 seconds. Awesome job. The students prepared themselves for the exam. I convinced myself to try something new. The computer updated itself automatically. They blamed themselves for the mistake, and we enjoyed ourselves at the party. Some mistakes to avoid. Me and John enjoyed ourselves. The correct way to say this is John and I enjoyed ourselves. Another mistake, the dog hurt hisself. The correct way to say this is the dog hurt himself. Yourself should come. The correct way to say this is you should come. And finally, we did it by ourself. This is singular and we need to make it plural. So we could say, we did it by ourselves. Just a quick recap, reflexive pronouns show self-reference. We must match the subject and the person with the correct number. So either singular for one person or plural for more than one or a group of people. We use reflexive pronouns for emphasis and clarity, and this is accepted in both formal and informal English. Finally, this is an essential skill for natural self-expression. Thank you so much. Great job today. Thank you for coming to class. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos at ESL Class for You.